Eastman Cast and Forge Limited is a part of Eastman Group, which comprises of Eastman Industries Limited and Eastman Auto and Power Limited, with turnover of $165 million during April 2017 to March 2018. ECFL is an integrated unit to produce professional tools engineered to perform and comply to German product safety standards. DIN 3110, DIN 3113, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. The company operates its tool manufacturing plant in Ludhiana, India. The company enjoys economies of scale with its 44,000 square yard area. Our production facilities include 9 forging lines, having a manufacturing capacity of 24 million tools per annum, and press forging machinery. Quality hand tools require uniform hardness throughout the product. To ensure this, we have 2 electrical heat treatment furnaces to smoothen tools with sparkling finish for cold stamped spanners. We have automatic vibro machines along with in-house plating facilities like nickel chrome, satin finish and zinc plating. We feel proud to say that we are the first company in India to completely develop ratchet range with machines imported from Taiwan with specifications from ANSI and DIN. From initial stage of raw material selection to final end product, we follow all necessary testing procedures like torque, hardness test, salt spray testing, beaker hardness testing, microscope, spectroscope, Brinell hardness testing, Magnaflux crack detector and 3D imaging to ensure product quality. At Eastman, due care is taken to ensure safety and security of tools and shipments through quality packing and in-house container stuffing facilities. Our quality packing comprise of an automatic laser marking machine for brand, wrapping machines for strength of carton and protection from moisture. We have a wide range of products with our specialization in different types of spanners like ratchet range, elliptical panel, cold stamped press panel, knurling spanner, jumbo spanner, in ring, double open end, flare nut, stubby spanner, recessed panel, raised panel, wheel spanner, L&T handles. Our export market presence spans from countries of Europe, North and South America, Africa, Middle East, along with CIS countries. The company is also developing network of international distributors. Eastman is privileged to be an established supplier to major OEMs in India like John Deere, Eicher, New Holland, Ashok Leyland and Isuzu. Our long history of participation in international fairs to showcase our product range has helped us a lot to enhance our client reach. Over 25 years of our partnership with our customers have helped us to define the way we look to do our business. We strive for quality, sustainability and reliable deliveries to maintain our outstanding position and to be a reliable partner for our customers.